Hello everybody, today I'm going to be making for you banana bread. The style that I'm going to make today is from Trinidad. So these are our ingredients what we're going to be using today. We've got 2 eggs, vanilla, we've got some baking powder, mixed spice and cinnamon and salt, we've got nutmeg, we've got butter, we've got the bananas, and we've got flour, and we've got a mixture of brown and white sugar. Right. So first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to mix the sugar and the butter. So I'm going to put in roughly about half a pound of butter. This is dairy-free butter what I'm using. So we're just going to blend this, mix this in. Right, and into that now we're going to add 2 eggs. So we're just mixing the eggs in. So we're just putting that aside for a bit. And now we're going to just mash up our bananas. These are ripe bananas. So I'm going to be using 5 bananas in this one. So I want this to be really moist. So we're just going to mash these up a bit. You can blend these out if you don't want to have the chunks in there, but I like it with a bit of chunky in there. So we're just going to crush out these bananas now and just get them to where we want them. And if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. It just helps the channel to grow. we know we're a new channel at the moment, and for us to bring you live streams, you know, we have to build up our YouTube subscriptions. So just tell a friend to tell a friend, and you know, if you want to see anything that we can do, just let us know, and you know, we'll see if we can get it done in one of our videos. So that's how we have our bananas, just crushed out. You're gonna get a few lumps in there, but you know, that's the whole idea of making banana bread. You don't want it crushed out and then there's nothing left. So now that we've got that, we're going to add our bananas into the mixture. Then we're going to grate in some nutmeg. It's about half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Then we've got a teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of mixed spice, and about half a teaspoon of salt. Then we're just going to gently mix that in. Then we're going to add our baking powder. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and this is 1.5 cups of self-raising flour. So you just mix that in a bit at a time. As you can see, I'm not beating it and just stirring it in, so you don't want to overbeat it. And we're going to add 2 cupfuls of vanilla. We're just going to be making the plain banana bread today. You can put sultanas in it, cherries or mixed peel or cranberries or whatever you want to put in it, but we're just going to be making the plain one today. So that's our mixture, the consistency of how we want the mixture to be. So now we're just going to put in a loaf tin. You can use whatever you want. If you want to use a round tin or whatever shape tin you want to use, it's up to you. We're just going to scoop this in it some in here. And then this is going to go in the oven. What I always do, if there's any like mixture left over, I just put them in a little muffin case. Just tap that down, and that's going to go in the oven for about 1 hour 15 minutes. So when it comes out the oven, we will show you what it looks like. Right everybody, this is the finished article, nice and brown on the top. Leave it to cool down before you take it out of the tin. And as you can see, I made a few muffins with it as well, which has got like cherries at the bottom, which is going to be very tasty. If you like our videos, remember to like, share and subscribe, and make your comments, and remember to tell a friend to make our channel grow very quickly. Thanks for watching.